Good morning, girls, ladies, guys. I just thought I'd make this video to show my solidarity for you. It's Saturday morning, and I'm up in an area called Ruckerby, and my friend has 120 acres of land here, and it's not really developed. So what's going to happen right now to show solidarity with you guys is I'm going to do my own boot camp this morning. I'm going to find a spot on the hill that's pretty steep, and I'm going to do what I like to call is my bingo workout. So I have 8 exercises here, and the way they work is I'm going to do the exercise, and I'm going to run like 200 yards, sprint 200 yards, grab a rock, sprint back, and cover up the exercise I just did. And I'm going to keep doing that until I'm done with all of them are covered up. My bonus round is handstands. Yay! So my boot camp, so through the magic of TV, I am going to get changed and go do my workout. What's going to happen is I am going to run to the top of that hill there and get a rock. Okay, well, first I'm going to warm up. So I'll probably run back and I'll do some few warm-up exercises. And then I'm going to do 30 burpees. And then I'm going to run up to the top of that hill up there. I'm going to grab a rock, and I'm going to bring it back and stick it over the burpees part. And I'm going to do that until they're all done. Workout smashed. That's what it looks like. Awesome. So I know you guys usually have a relay at the end, and since I'm alone, and I kind of included my relay in there with that workout, I'm going to do my finisher today. It's going to be handstands. So, yeah. And there you have it. Woo!